The water cycle. The water cycle has no starting point, but here's where we'll begin. The major physical components of the global water cycle include the evaporation from the ocean and land surfaces, the transport of water vapor by the atmosphere, precipitation onto the land, the net atmospheric transport of water from land areas to ocean, and the return flow of fresh water from the land back into the ocean. Water is practically everywhere on Earth. It can be a gas, liquid, or solid. The water cycle is dynamic. It describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth, and the transitions from one state to another. Here are some of those states. When water falls to the Earth, it is called precipitation. It may fall into oceans, lakes, rivers, or it may end up on land. When it ends on land, it may either soak into the earth and become part of the groundwater, or it may run over the soil and collect into the oceans. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and waters fall back into the earth in the form of rain, hail, or snow. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the oceans and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or oceans and goes back into the air. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation. You can see the same sort of thing at home. Pour a glass of cold water on a hot day and watch what happens. Water will form on the outside of the glass. The water didn't somehow leak through the glass, it came from the air. How do you see the water cycle in action every day?